welcome back to the channel. Carrying on with the Z650. Appreciate all the feedback I've had so far, all the comments. It's really helped me a lot. As you can see, a lot of tools have been on this quite some time. I actually spent most of the day today just going back through everything that everybody had said, checking the top dead centre, checking the timing marks, counting the pins as it actually said in the manual. Actually going through with this diagram, so 1 and 4 at top dead centre, on the top dead centre mark with the arrows pointing outwards, and 36 pins. I've gone back through that. That is definitely right. That's been checked, double checked, triple checked. I then went back into the points, rechecked the firing, rechecked the gaps. There was a slight error in one of them, was slightly out. So it has been literally just a case of just going in, just playing with bits. I mean, I've got 2 batteries on the go at the moment because obviously the continual trying to start all the time, it's just flattening the batteries. But I think I've actually made some progress. It's not finally, but it's almost. So let me show you where I'm at and what's happening with the bike at the moment. So I've got the petrol rigged up. Obviously I haven't got the airbox on the back at the moment, so I've actually put some piece of cloth with some cable ties just round the back. So the points cover's still off. I've gone through everything in the points just to double check. So I've got my spare battery on at the moment, the main battery charging. But yeah, it has been just going through, working things out, but let me show you what's happening right at this very moment. Hopefully there's enough charge in the battery. I am getting a noise from the starter motor. I may look at replacing that. But that's where I'm up to at the moment. Yeah, as it is actually starting up. I just can't seem to keep it. That's the noise I keep getting. So it is close. But that seems to be as long as it goes. I am fiddling with the carbs, I am adjusting things as I go. Like I say, I am going through, I am checking, I am adjusting as I go. But at least that's a massive step in the right direction. I say I will look at actually putting the airbox back in, but for now that seems to be doing the trick, but it might need the full stability of an airbox. But say that's the real first proper start it's had. A bit more work to do, but I just thought I'd give you an update of where it is. I know people have said, I can't wait to hear this run. It's been frustrating, but it is finally making a step in the right direction. that's the longest it's run. Now, as soon as you give it throttle, it dies, but that is the longest I've ever heard it. It sounds terrible. Well, that was a bit more tinkering around. But that's the longest it's ever run. Yeah, can't be throttle really. But it is running. Oh, it stinks. I think next, take all this out. The airbox is sat up there. I'll refit the airbox and then start tuning, tinkering, and hopefully get these carbs synced. But it sounds like a cylinder isn't firing. Yeah, this pipe is warm. This pipe is cold. Yeah, this side of the engine is hot. Warm, but not hot. But that's the best result I've ever had. Right, so that gives you a brief update of where I am at the moment on the Z650. So happy it's actually, well, I mean it's not running perfectly, but it is actually running. Keeping it running is another matter. It's still cutting out, so it seems to be the left hand side isn't quite right. The right hand side is near enough there. So I still need to go back in and double check everything. I will get the airbox down by the next episode, get that fitted, get the carbs back in again. I'm going to run some more checks on the carbs. Now that they've actually run, I want to check the float heights again, just to make sure, again, like I did before with the tube. I'm going to give that another go and just make sure everything is right, because there's still something. There is a problem by the sounds of it with the starter motor as well. I think that's it's not connecting properly. But as I say, if anybody's got any other ideas, let me know in the comments box below. I appreciate your feedback. You know, the amount of people that have helped me on this, I can't thank everybody. Well, I can, but I can't name everybody that's done it. I mean, there's a lot of people that have put in their little bit to try this, try that, which has been great. The support has been phenomenal, so thank you so much. But so glad that it's fired up and it ran for a few minutes before I kind of almost gassed myself out. So it is a start of a step in the right direction. I just need to work out why the left side's not quite right and firing. But as I say, any ideas, comments box below. It means a great deal. Anybody that's interested in seeing how the Z650 started, there's a link in the corner. That will take you to the playlist. There's also links to videos at the end of the video, and as always, appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon. Cheers. Bye.